Hello guys, this is Ghost for Ogiagbe. So today I want to talk about two strategies that you can start using to start making $15,000 online. It's not exactly monthly, but it depends on the strategy that you can use to use this method I'm going to show you. But you are going to learn something from this. So all I just want you to do for me now is to keep on watching. Let me show you these two strategies that you can start using to make $15,000 online. It can be daily, it can be weekly, it can be monthly. This depends on the demand on the product that you have just created. So let us dip into this method. But before we dip into this method, only what I will ask from you is to just hit that like button and leave me a comment in the comment section below. You have been watching my video, but you are not leaving any comments. It's not good. Please just leave me a comment in the comment section below what you think about this video. And if you don't like it, leave it too in the comment section below. Let me know the type of video you want me to make so that I can bring those type of video to you. You know, there's a lot of things on my head and I cannot just know the exactly things you are looking for. So just do that for me. Leave me a comment in the comment section. So let us head over to the reason why we are making this video and why you are watching. So just keep on watching. So the first way you can start using to make money online is to become a template creator. So what you do is that you go and create a template from Canva. This strategy is very simple. You go and create a template Canva. Create your template on Canva and you start selling those templates on FC. So this method is very simple. The first thing what you have to do is to go create your seller account on FC. Then when you are done creating your seller account on FC, then you can come to create the template. It can be website template. It can be any type of template you know that is in demand on FC, that what people are searching or looking for on FC. You know, there's a lot of people that want to create a website. They don't have an idea and they need people to give them a design, a look or website that they need, you know, give them an option so they can choose. If you go to FC right now, you'll find a lot of people that is doing this. All they do is to go to Canva, create a website template. They will go and start selling this website template on FC. So you go to Canva, create a template on Canva and go and sell the website template on where? FC. So if you go to FC right now, you see a lot of people selling website template that they created on Canva. They are making up to $15,000 like I told you from the beginning of this video. So if you see this person that pops up, you can see this person that pops up on the screen. This person have created a template. He have a template of 1,326 review. If you calculate that review, calculate it by 11. The price is template is costing is, I think is $11.60. Calculate that and times it. You see that this person will make 15,000 plus by just doing this, and you can do this. So it's not just like it's because the person have the talent. This is not about talent. This is something that you can do that is very, very simple, and you can take advantage of it right now. Like I said, go to FC, create your seller account on FC, and go to Canva go to Canva and create your website template and go and upload it on FC and sell it and get paid. So that is how it works. You just need only one template and you can make more than $20,000 by just doing it. You need only one template and a lot of can come and buy the template and they will go and redesign this template as according to how they want it to look. So that is how you can make money with this first strategy. And the second way that you can use to make money online is to become a writing assistant, which is a content writer. So how this works is that you need to have experience of writing. You need to know how to read and write on this part. You need to know how to read and write. That is what is required on this part. So how it happens is that first you need to go and create your seller account on Fiverr. Listen to me carefully. You need to go and create your seller account on Fiverr. Then when you are done creating your seller account on Fiverr, then you can go and post a gig, like create a template, like not a template but kind of an image, like a banner, a gig. It's called a gig on Fiverr. Post a gig on Fiverr, list the type of content you can write. You know, if you can write any content in all niches, you can put that in all niches. You can say, okay, I know how to write content about finance, health and fitness, about sports, you know, about stories, you know, the type of things you know how to write. List all the categories. If people, like, let me say our viewers or a client see that your gig on Fiverr and they click on it, like they look at the things, the type of articles you can write. You can write finance, like I said. You can write about health and fitness. You can write about people who is looking for new sports, about all those. If you can write articles in all those needs, people will contact you and they will ask you to write a particular blog for them. And by doing this, you are going to make money. You can see this person here that pops up that I just showed this screenshot. this person is making the person is making $48,400, $48,400, even more than that. So is what I'm just telling you. The person is have got review of 1K review. The person have got 1K review, which is 1K client have reviewed this guy products, good reviews or bad reviews, all are just there. But this person have received 1,000 people. Calculate it. 48. The price of this gig that this person is selling is, I think the price was let me check the price. Price was 48. It was $48.40. Times it. This person is making. This person have already made $48,400 by just doing this, by just becoming writing assistant. So what you do is that, so how it works, once they buy that your gig, they will require you will require something from them, keyword they want to focus on, and the topic. You can go do a keyword research about the topics and write it for them and send it to them. It just depends. You can, let me tell you, it can be 500 word, 1,000 word, 1,000 word, and you need to charge them according to the amount of word that you want to write. You can say, okay, I will write 500 word for you for $40. You can do that. Well-written articles. This is created by you. This is not created by AI like robots, like other people are using. This method, I don't recommend you when you become a writing assistant. I don't recommend you to go and use AI like Jasper or ChatGPT or all those software. You have to write it yourself. You need to be genuine and organic and real, so that people will contact you more and more and more. So you see that these two methods I talked about, first was how to create a website template, and the second one was how to become a writing assistant. So you see that these two methods, you can make a lot of money from it. So this just depends on you now to take action. So I'm going to end this video from here, and I will say thank you very much for watching this video to the end. And only what I will ask from you now is to leave me a like. If you are new on this my YouTube channel, you just need to subscribe. If you are already an old subscriber, please leave me a like and leave me a comment. So I will say thank you very much, guys. Don't forget again, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will say thank you very much, guys. See you on my next video. Thank you.